His eyebrows.
It's like the hiccup starts here and it goes all the way up to here.
It's really funny.